Hi, I'm Nora, your virtual guide here at Norce. Welcome to the series of videos about how to manage your product catalog in Norce Commerce. This time, we will go through the Variants tab. Let's have a look. The Variants tab lets you add different variations or alterations to your product. This could, for example, be different fabrics and patterns of the same sofa, selection of models of the new iPhone, or it might be different sizes and colors for our jacket, as we see here. Norce lets you easily create variants to a product from this tab. By clicking on New, you get a similar form as when you create a product from scratch. When you create the first variant to a product, this will actually create two at the same time, one based on your original product and one is the new. Both variants will share most of the content like texts, parametrics, etc., unless you explicitly move the data to the variant level. But maybe you already have the different variations of your jacket in your catalog. An integration has already created them, but without a product variant hierarchy. This is easily fixed by just connecting existing products to your current one. Just search for it and select. For Norce, a variant is just a subset of a product, sharing some data with its siblings. This makes it easy to add or remove variants from the product without suddenly deleting something important. A product with variants can also have some important metadata, called the variant type, which sets up the specific parametrics or attributes that define the variants. For a model of a specific mobile phone, it might be the storage capacity and screen size, but on our jacket, it is just color and size. Look in the documentation on how you set up variants types. When you have variants on your product, you will see a code here on this tab that can either be auto-generated by Norce or set by you. This code is the identifier of the whole product, while the part No is the identifier of each variant. Here on the Variants tab, you can add or change the main image on the variants directly, the name on the variant, and also change the values on the variant-specific parametrics from the variant type. If you enable sort order, you can drag and drop the variants to the specific order you want them presented. If you want to remove a variant from this product, you can press the X to the right of its line. Note that this will not delete the variant. It will instead be free of this product's cluster and act as its own product again, keeping all its data. Instead, if you want to actually remove the variant, you must change the status to inactive under the Settings tab. So in summary, the Variant tab gives you a place to work with all variants for a product. You can create new or link existing products as variants to the product you are on, defining how the variants differ by choosing a variant type. Handle some data on the variants, like their name, main image, and unique parametrics. And lastly, unlink variants from the cluster, letting them act as their own standalone products or be connected later to a different product. That's it. Good luck!